In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set your real name on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Steam. Then click right here at the top right corner at your current username. That will reveal that menu where we need to click at the first option, which is called View My Profile. After that, we'll be taken to our Steam profile. As you can see, at the very top now it shows my current Steam username without my real name. That's because it is not currently set. And now I'm going to show you how we can easily set our real name. To do that, we need to click at Edit Profile. Make sure you are at the General section. And then, down below the profile name, we can easily find our real name field. It is currently empty. If we hover our mouse at this question mark, it will say that including your real name can help your friends to find you. I'm gonna enter here my real name just to demonstrate you how it works. By the way, at the same time we can also change our profile name. And then once you are done with that, just don't forget to click at Save to apply the changes. As you can see, my username or profile name has already been changed, but where we can find our real name? If we go back to our profile, we can find out that now my real name displayed right over here underneath my Steam profile name or Steam username, how you may call it. And now if someone gets on our profile and doubts if it's us or not, they can get it if it's we or not by our real name that is displayed here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.